And now I can come and add this to my flower. So it will cover all the wire. Come on, baby. The third piece of wire doesn't want to go through. Okay. And I have, and now I come, oh, I did upside down, sorry.
I was wondering.
You were wondering, why didn't you tell me?
Because I wasn't sure.
You know who I am. You're used to me. And then I twist all the wires together.
Peeper said that yellow middle almost looks like a buttercup.
Buttercup. Yeah, I need to adjust a little bit more. You see that I got more of a whimsical thing. When I was going around, I could have used less beads, so maybe I was not pinching right, or I just gave too much leeway here. But here we are. So now you get your